keep on pressing the wrong button. So anyway, so with forcing in that small solar 20 volt pump, it takes the heat from yesterday and thaws this solar panel, and it's ready to collect the solar energy when the sun gets a little bit higher. Today is the shortest day. The photovoltaic panels will be making electricity already. Don't know how much, but they're happy. Lots of airspace. That way you can check to see if there's any critters or whatever. And also these are Canadian solar bifacials. So they make electricity from the back also. 400 watts, really nice. Okay, let's not die. Pause. Okay, let's see if the so this shut off here, that's for the loop, and this goes, lets the lets the air out if there's any air, and also it's a thermal brake, which doesn't work 100%, but let's see if there's any. Alright, I'll have to watch a video to see if that went down. Oh, okay, so no, it didn't go down, so that's good. So hope you're having a good solar hot water day today. Shortest day of the year is today, so we'll see how much solar hot water we're going to make with our homemade solar panel.